Well, it is a couple minutes past 5. We are trying to show the in my backyard. I'm on air. There is a bit of a challenge. And I'm having within my backyard. It's not working. So I'll show you what is supposed to happen. Put in your address, and I'll put in my own for Oakmont Lane, Littleton, Colorado, 80127. Please send all spam messages to me. And that button is supposed to zoom to Littleton, Colorado. Right before this webinar, I tried Explorer, I tried Chrome, and I'm doing it now in Firefox, and none of these are working. You go to solar, and there's a nice menu to work with on size, and you can put in 4 kilowatts. Derating is typically 0.77. Tilt angle, 39 degrees for that particular location. Azimuth means how far south or north. And of course, this is completely a south-facing roof, so you can say 0. And once you fill in all those, a run button is supposed to come up. In my backyard is nice because it has a default system that just goes right to your system, where house, where you can actually draw a square on your building. But this functionality does not seem to be working today, such as it is a live demonstration. Let's go to the next kind of software we were going to talk about is PVWatts, which again is another interactive free software by the National Renewable Energy Laboratory. PVWatts has been around a longer time than in my backyard. It's pretty fun to, you first pick a location. What I'll do is go to the default screen, and you just put in a zip code. 80127, spaced out there for a second. And then the address, I'll even put that in. Or pick the state. And hit go. So it zooms right to your location. You can zoom in. Very nice. The yellow patterns and the orange patterns show the grid of the various data sets that are available. And we can zoom right into the house. Got a nice probably Google map underneath, and that's where we're talking about. So once I've confirmed that is where it's at, I can send it to PVWatts. Very simple. So it knows the location from the weather data standpoint. The ratings are exactly the same because I knew what they were going to be. This is the standard PVWatts system size and ratings. 4 kilowatts, 0.77 duration. What that means is from a module rating down to when it gets to the electrical lines of utility, there's some losses involved. Thermal losses, various reflection losses, and inverter losses, wire losses, but it typically adds up to 23%. So your deration factor you can change. If it's a fixed tilt or if it's a single axis or double axis, you can choose that. Latitude's a little finer detail, 39.61 degrees latitude. That is the typically optimal angle to put a solar electric system at is what the latitude is. You can change that interactively. It says 8.5 cents kilowatt hour. I am in the worst utility in the nation, the Intermountain Rural Electric Association. It's probably a little bit more than that when you add taxes. We'll say 10. Just see what calculation looks like. It actually jumps to another tab on the browser, but it tells you the various weather data, what longitude, latitude is being used, and the system specifics of the AC rating of 3 kilowatts, fixed tilt, saying 10 cents a kilowatt hour while that's not used at this time. You get out a very nice monthly rating for both how much sun there is, how much AC energy that's produced, and the value of that energy. So that 10 cents is included. It's not, that's on an hourly basis. So you need to multiply out how much all those values are for the whole year. That's PVWatts, and unfortunately, in my backyard was not working. The goal of these test exercises are to learn how to put software out on these new video business tools, like WebEx, which is a little bit more expensive than free. If we can optimize the use of these tools, we can get them out to more and more people, that being the video business interactive discussion tools as well as the software tools. So it seems like no one else is going to be joining right now. I'm going to end the broadcast of the Hangout, and possibly this can be served up on YouTube. Thanks for watching on YouTube.